Hi folks, this is my honest review of the Greenworks 2100 PSI pressure washer. I bought this pressure washer because I was looking for something I could wash my RV, cars, and driveway with. I bought it at Lowe's on sale for $199. I originally was looking at a gas-powered washer, but an associate at Lowe's talked me into trying the electric after discussing with me what my needs were. He said we wouldn't be disappointed with this unit. It comes with 4 nozzles, one for washing things like sidewalks and driveways, one for soap, one for vehicles, and one for painted surfaces. They are easy to snap on with a quick release connector. The washer has an onboard detergent reservoir which holds maybe a half a gallon of detergent. Make sure you get a detergent made specifically for pressure washers. We found a variety of them right by pressure washers at Lowe's. The reservoir is really simple to fill and you don't need to do anything special to use it. Just fill it up and connect the soap nozzle. I found the gallon of detergent I bought cleaned my entire RV. I ended up buying a separate hose as I needed something longer than the included 25-foot one. I also found this hose to be more manageable and kink resistant than the one that came with it. The pressure washer has a lot of power to make cleaning my 38-foot RV quick and easy. Overall, I'm very well pleased and think it was a good purchase. I highly recommend this pressure washer.
Was this video helpful? Then please help us out. You know what to do.